Okay, so we're going to find the average rate of change for the 2 points x bx and x plus h b of x plus h for this function b of x equals 3 minus 5. So we already know the rate of change is just a fancy way to say the slope, so let's start there. The slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So for our 2 points, x b of x and x plus h b of x plus h, let's let one be x1, y1, the other be x2, y2. Okay, so for our fraction here, for slope, y2 minus y1 on top. So b of x plus h minus b of x on top, or y2 minus y1. And then the quantity x plus h minus x on bottom. Okay, so now we just need to get values for b of x plus h and b of x. So we got our b of x plus h. All that means to do is where you see an x in the function 3x minus 5, you substitute x plus h. So how does that look? So 3x minus 5. I'm going to put that in parentheses, and notice I just left a blank for the x, right? So 3 blank minus 5. In functions, have the x plus h as your input. So x plus h, and I use the color there too. So that's really all it is. I mean, that's like the first hard part of this problem, is what does that mean? B of x plus h, well, you put x plus h in for the x in that function. Okay, so what about minus b of x? Well, we know what b of x is, right? B of x is really just 3x minus 5. So we can handle that. So that's minus the 3x minus 5. I mean, you could really say plug in x if you wanted to, but it's a little bit excessive since it's already there. And then the denominator, if you haven't noticed already, right? X plus h minus x. Those parentheses aren't really doing us any good, but x plus h minus x is there. So our first thing, first order of business with the denominator is we'll just cancel those x's, right? Combine like terms down there in the bottom. So we get the x's are gone, we just got an h down there. Okay, so in the numerator, a little math left to do, right? We got a 3 out here, negative out here, so let's distribute both of those. And so what are we left with here on top? We got 3x plus 3h minus 5, and then minus 3x plus 5. So what are we talking in terms of things eliminating each other? 3x and 3x up there. The 5's, those are gone. So now, I know I drew that fraction kind of big there, but it's just 3h over h, which h's eliminate, just 3. Which makes sense, right? We know this is a linear function, the slope being 3. So we just proved in general, between any point x and x plus h, the slope is 3.